Hi, this is Ricky Lee. I'm going to give a favorite list. So the Postmates is a food delivery mobile application. It's one of the major online food services in the United States. So how it works, you put the name of the restaurant as in the search bar, you search for the restaurant, and then it will jump to the restaurant page. You can order food on that page and check out and pay for the food. Then the Postmate will assign a task to the local couriers, and the couriers, I mean the drivers, will deliver the food to your house. But there is a problem on the Postmates, which is that the users cannot save their favorite restaurants somewhere on the Postmate permanently. Yeah, although they can find the previous choices in the search log, but the search log is temporary and will not last long. So if users forget the names or cannot find corresponding results after searching for the restaurant, it will eventually affect users' experience with the Postmates, and this will result in the fewer orders for restaurant on Postmates as well. But there is a solution to this problem, so which is to implement a function of the favorite list so that the user can edit and create their list freely on the Postmates, and that will bring them the faster access to restaurants. And this favorite list will permanently saved on their accounts, the Postmate accounts, because the favorite list will be connected to their account. So which means that they can get access to the favorite list after logging in any device with the Postmates. This is how the main interface and the personal page look like after the favorite list get implemented. Market size. So there is the $40 billion of the food in the food delivery revenue in the United States and in 2017, and the data is from the Statista. And here in the graph, you can see that there is a steady annual growth for the food delivery revenue. And there Postmates also hold the big shares in the major cities as well. So, for example, in Charlotte, Postmates hold 43% of the total shares of the market in 2017. And after the change, we predict that there will be the projected orders increase by the amount like 20% to 30% since the frequency of the users ordering food will be increased. In the team, we have Raza Pathani and John Miles. Raza Pathani, he has worked for DoorDash before. He has experience in developing both iOS and Android system for similar functions. So he will be in charge of building the main structure of the function. John Miles, he has worked for Facebook before as a data scientist. So he has a good experience in data analysis and manage data. He will be in charge of designing the algorithm for data management and help setting up a database for users to help create their favorites. This is a 10-week schedule here. We have the planning and the design for both systems separately, and then we debug separately, and then we design the database that can be used for those two systems, and then we will get the function online eventually. And this is the budget and the working hours. The budget will be 43,600 bucks, and the total working hours will approximately be 400 hours. And this data are coming from the Glassdoor.com. The summary. So the problem is that the users cannot save their favorite choices somewhere on the Postmates. So that the solution is that we can give them the ability to let them to make their own favorite list somewhere on the list Postmates. So that the users can gain the quicker access to favorite restaurants, the users will gain the better engagement, and then the number of food orders will not be easily decreased, and maybe it will get increased too. So with this function, the more profits will be made. Thank you for listening to this presentation.